Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the syllabus of the paper 6 of the 5th semester botany, that is the paper 6 angiosperm morphology, biotechnology and the microbiology. In the previous video we have discussed the paper 5th and this is the paper 6th. So for this semester you will have a two paper, that's the paper 5th and the paper 6. Based on this you will have a practical also. In the paper 6, regarding the syllabus, there are 4 unit, that is unit 1, unit 3, 2, 3, 4 and the first unit, that is angiosperm morphology, the modification of the stem, root, leaf and types of inflorescence, fruits, flowers and its parts, uh, thalamus, insertion of the floral bud, okay, that's the calyx, corolla, androecium and its structure variation, gynoecium, and the plant propagation techniques. All you will study in this chapter. That is in unit 1 we will study the general aspect, that's a angiosperm morphology, that's the types, inflorescence, fruit and flowers of the plant. We will study in the uh, unit 1. In unit 2, that's a pollination and the embryology. In that we'll study the types of pollination and the mechanism of pollination, and also we'll study the contrivances for the pollination. So and how actually the pollination will takes place, you will study in this unit 2. And also in the unit 2 that consists of the embryology, that's a microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, and you will study the in types of embryos, that's a monosporic, biporic embryos, and also the double fertilization, and also the endosperm, types of endosperm and the structure of the endosperm. And you will also study the monocot and the dicot embryo structure. You will study in this unit, that's a unit 2. So here you will focus mainly on the pollination aspect and also the embryological studies of the plant. Okay, and in the unit 3 you will have a biotechnological aspects. So this is the little bit advanced aspect of the plant biology. In that you will study the genetic engineering, that's a recombinant DNA technology, plasmids, structure of the plasmids, cloning, applications of the genetic engineering, that's especially in the pharmaceutical, that's enzymes, antibiotic, vitamins, vaccines. And in the agriculture period, that's the transgenic plant production of the transgenic bt cotton, and also the industrial applications. So in the environmental field, that's especially in the waste disposal management, sewage treatment, uh, all these the applications of the genetic engineering you will study. Apart from that you will study the general account on a PCR technology, tissue culture, applications of the tissue culture, and protoplasm culture, and the meristem and the anther culture you will study in this chapter. Okay, in unit 4 we will study the um, microbiology, that is a general account on microbiology we will study in this chapter. That's the scope of microbiology and the applications of microbiology in different fields, just like fermentation field, in the industry, dairy industry, and production of antibiotics, steroids. So like that you will study the applications of microbiology, and you will study the food spoilage and types of food spoilage and mechanism of food spoilaging, and the microbes which causes the food poisoning. And also you will study the how to preserve the food. There are different mechanisms that involved in the food preservation and the factor affecting the food preservation, you will study it. Apart from that you will also study the biogas, biomining and the bioremediation general account. In the last chapter we will study the mycorrhiza, that's the types of mycorrhiza, ecto and endomycorrhiza, and worm fungi, and effect of the mycorrhiza on the host. So all these concept you will study in a unit 4. Overall, the unit 1 is 9 hours, unit 2 is 9 hours, and unit 3 is 9 hours, and the unit 4 is 9 hours. So it is a little bit different concept involved in this paper. uh, because in unit 1 it is on angiosperm morphology. In unit 2 that is on angiosperm embryology and pollination biology. In unit 3 we will study the biotechnological aspects. In unit 4 we will study the microbiological aspects. So overall we will study the different concept of the uh, plant advanced studies, that is a angiosperm morphology, biotechnology and microbiology. This is a paper 6 for the 5th semester. The paper code is BO 302. Okay.